Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your friend InSexO. Today we are going to talk about the Python's version of voice recognition at offline. This is a new package which called I don't know how to spell it, but it's called vosk, and it's new package for Android, iOS, Raspberry Pi, and servers with Python, Java, C#, and Node. It's a package for voice recognition or speech recognition. The best feature of this is it is offline. That's why I want to recommend it to you. Offline is better than anything. Sure, before we get started, the first thing we should do is to install vosk package. And you can do it with a simple pipe 3 install with the lamp of vosk. Okay, it is that simple. If you get any error with the Ubuntu version of Linux, the best strategy for you is to update the pipe to 19 version or newer. Okay, after you install that package, you can start to use it. Then how do we use it? From here, this repository got a lot of folders. You're gonna go to the Python version. You click that, then you go to the Python example folder. From here, you can see a lot of things. For example, if you prefer to test it with your microphone, you can click into test microphone.py file, and you will see something like this. Or if you prefer to test it with an MP4 video file, you can use this file, test ffmpg.py. Okay, now let's say if you already have that file in your local environment, how do you run it? It is that you must first download a file model, which is a neural network model, from a link of this. Okay, if we go to the link, you will see something like this. It got a lot of models: the English version of model, or the Chinese version of model, or Russia version of model, or French, or German, or Spanish. Anyway, a lot of languages that you can choose. Here I'm going to test it with the English version of model. It's about 1.4 megabits. When you downloaded it to your local environment, it's an compressed file. You have to uncompress it and put it to the correct folder of your code. Here for me, I just put it to this folder, model, and change the name to model. And inside of that file, it's the graph of our neural network. So this speech recognition package is based on deep learning, so it can be very accurate. Then after you did that, how do you test it? First, you have to prepare an MP4 video file. Then you can do this: Python 3 test ffmpg.py file with the name of your video file. If I click the Enter key on my keyboard, you will see first it will load the voice stuff. From my knowledge, it is the PyAudio package. Then it will start to detect the speech. Okay, let's run it again. It will start to detect the words that it is seeing. Okay, it will continually do that process to get the right text from the speech. Okay, if we interrupt it, and you will say first it will try to detect each word. Then for some reason it may get some algorithm. It will try to combine those words to a complete sentence. For example, here the text we spend whatever, it's 40 length. It's a full length of text. It's a sentence. Then after this, it will try to detect the word again. Then eventually he get another sentence. Then for some of you, if you want to detect the real-time capability of speech recognition, you can run the test microphone example. If we go to there and run it, we would say something like this. Okay, we can do some test about it. It's not very well. It's not good. Especially when you I don't know how to say that. It's very hard. To get it right. Okay. It's okay. If you are a native speaker, it can be very accurate. But if you are not, the accurate it can be very awful. Okay, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.